Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pairing the second Bluetooth device. You have to start by pairing headphones to the first device, and when you did it, just turn off Bluetooth and you should pairing the second device. So go to Settings, Connected Devices, Pair New Device. Now click on our headphones, pair. When we did it, we should turn on Bluetooth on the first device. And click on the headphones. Cool. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!